Ecom Society here, back in action. I'm gonna teach you guys how I make money with online roulette, and just want you guys to follow along. All right. Now you can try the strategy, and it's been a very successful strategy for me, obviously. As you guys can see, my account balance is $1,315. I deposited $1,000 and already up $315. I'm gonna teach you guys exactly how to win easy money with roulette, specifically European roulette. I don't like American roulette. The odds are terrible. If you're gonna win money with casino gambling, make sure you pick games that are highly favorable. We're gonna start with standard, which is minimum $1, maximum 100. Just follow along, all right?
Spider, wait, welcome. You need black maze or red in the 3000. Okay, red for you, Spider. The winner number is reference to red from Paising the series sector número ganador, chicos, 32. Rojo, congratulations to all the winners.
32, 9, 3, 26, 8, 15. 3 blacks, 3 reds.
Come on. Oh, let's go, let's wait. No worries, guys. Good luck, everyone. Buena
We're
suerte,
just chilling out at the moment.
Calima.
We're gonna wait a couple rounds and then we're gonna strike, just like a sniper in the battlefield, waiting for the perfect mark.
More numbers. Oh my god. I love the 6 mains.
Numbers that red.
Okay, guys.
21.
Winner number is now 21 red from
Okay.
Boys sector. Número ganador
So
21 rojo.
we're gonna go 1,
Congratulations to all winners.
2,
Place your bets, guys. Come on.
and we're gonna go 1.
The Bishop. Welcome, Bishop. Continue. Let's go. Let's bet. No more bets. Good luck. Buena suerte.
There, we won.
Okay, players, the winner number is now 3
We
red
bet
from
$75
Racing the
and
sector.
we
Número ganador,
won
chicos.
$25.
3 rojo.
Basically, we just made
Congratulations to all
$100.
the winners. Place
We
your
won
bets.
100, and that was $25 profit, 1 unit profit. All right, now the balance is $1,340.
And TJ, how are you today, TJ?
Going to increase the bet.
Come on, let's bet.
I'm gonna wait another round,
Wow,
and then we're gonna strike again.
No more bets. Good luck, everyone. Buena suerte.
Good thing we waited. That's why it's important to be patient and you strike at the perfect moment.
Congratulations to all the winners. Place your bets.
We're gonna wait again. When the ball lands on 0, the count resets.
Thank you, Magma, for your tips. Gracias por la propina. Ronald, welcome. How question? Thank you. Gracias. Scout, please your bets, guys. Come on, come on. Ready? Let's bet.
I'm actually gambling on my phone.
No more bets. Good luck. Buena suerte. Sagar, Big Bug, back.
Alright. We're gonna wait one more time.
Francois.
You see, when you're patient, it's not necessarily gambling. Alright, we would have won right there. But that's okay.
Okay, players, the winning number is 18 red from
All we're waiting for is the
sector.
trigger numbers,
Número
alright? The trigger
ganador
numbers is
18 turno.
19 through
Congratulations to
24.
all the winners. Place your bets.
That's what we're waiting for.
Supreme welcome back.
So this might take a little while, but
Thank you for
I'm
your
gambling
bets.
$100 per
Gracias por la
unit, so
propina.
I want to teach you guys the importance of being patient and striking at the best
Nancy
moment.
Abigail, welcome back. Thanks.
I know a lot of you guys in my last videos are saying, oh, that's gambling, that's not strategic. It is strategic. It is strategic if you're waiting for the perfect opportunity.
Okay, players, no more bets. Good luck, everybody. Buena suerte a todos, chicos. Come on, come on. All good numbers now. Brilliant Master. Wow, welcome. Okay, cross fingers, fans. Yeah, they're dancing for you. Now, game from again. Welcome.
That's black 35.
Casi. The winning number is guys 35 Black from Boys in the City Sector. Número ganador,
We're going to
chicos.
wait one more time.
35 negro. Congratulations to all the
Possibly
winners.
one or two more
Now, please
times.
renew and greet us. Come on.
I'm going to build this balance up. Let me see how easy it is.
Place your bets. Come on, play with me. Hi, AD, welcome. Let's go, let's bet.
Patience is a virtue.
No more bets. Good luck, buena suerte. Reckless. Juju. AD, welcome. Come on, guys. Okay, correct males. 11 now. 11. Chris, welcome.
That's red 9,
Oh, no, players. Low number. The winning
red
number is
18,
now
black 35, red 9. Okay. We're going to restart. We got a little logged off because we was a little too patient.
Yes. Mary Jiang, welcome. Mary.
Alright. We're going to go, check out the timer. We're going to go 1 unit here, 1 unit here, and 1 unit here.
That's it.
This is a perfect hedge if you ask me. I'm risking $300.
No more bets. Good luck.
If it lands on the red, that's profit on rolls 1 and 2. If it lands on any of the red numbers,
Hi, Kito.
on the top row, we get a little bit of money back. If it lands on black, it's a straight up loss. What's that? Red 32.
Come on, guys.
Excellent. We just won right there.
Hey, players, the winning number
$500. Look at that.
is
Now
red
the
from
balance is
Boys in
at.
the City Sector.
Let's take a screen.
Número ganador,
Let's take a
chicos.
screenshot. There you
22
go.
rojo. Felicidades a los
Now the balance is
ganadores.
$1,540.
Welcome.
Let's go back. Alright. Let's go back. Let's refresh the balance. $1,540. Alright. And that's how I like to play, using the laws of statistics and probabilities. Alright. I'm going to leave my link in the description if you guys want to sign up. You guys get a nice deposit bonus. I like this website a lot because, well, they're not greedy. And, you know, it's very mobile optimized. It's USA friendly as well. I'll be making more videos on how to win money on roulette, European roulette, blackjack, and video poker. And if you guys have any other strategies that you guys want me to use or implement, I'm willing to do that. Now I'm going to cash this out and I'm going to go see the Avengers movie.